So I usually don't start off a video at 8 o'clock in the morning, and I am by myself. I do not have Kristian with me. He is actually currently at work, and I'm actually at the place where we're gonna meet our new family members. So I wanted to take you guys along in this journey. We are getting a kitten. Just because when he is gone, I wanted something to come home to, but we're not quite ready for a dog. That'll be probably till after marriage. But yeah, I'm here right now to go see him and to go meet him, and I'm super excited about it. I'm not a huge cat fan. Like, I love kittens. I don't love everybody's cat. I feel like cats are kind of like, it's a thing where you love your cat. I don't know. I know I love my cat, but I'm not like a huge like cat person. I'm more of a dog person, but I'm gonna love this cat anyways because it's ours and I'm very excited for it. So I'm at the place right now. I'm about to go in and meet this kitten. I just wanted to come back on here and kind of explain a little more. This morning I was in a big rush to like get inside to go meet him, the kitten that we're getting, because there's a certain time I was supposed to be there and I was running a little late. So I thought I'd hop back on and kind of explain why we are getting a kitten and someone's staring at me and it's fine. So if you don't know, Kristian is leaving. So I will be living by myself, and I just thought, like, again, kind of like what I explained in the beginning, that like we're not so ready for a dog right now. It's a little too much work by myself. Obviously, I would love a dog right now, but that'll be until after we're married, just because I live in an apartment, we're on the top floor. It's just a lot, especially with him not being here. So we did choose a kitten so I can have something to like come home to and cuddle to, and just yeah. So that's why we are getting a kitten, and we did not expect actually to be getting a kitten this fast. We thought we were gonna get it like closer to when he leaves, but it just kind of came and we just took the opportunity, and yeah. So Kristian is actually going to pick him up. I did not grab him when I was there. I just went to go meet him and play with him and kind of see if like it is the cat for me, which was, because he like came running up to me and like he just knew, and like whatever. So we did choose to get him. Kristian gets off before I do, so he will be going to get him after work, and he will be videotaping that, and so that should be very interesting because Kristian going to get the cat by himself should be just funny, because like I don't even think he wants a cat, but that's what happens when you get engaged. We just got engaged like a week ago and we're already getting animals. So yes, I'm gonna go because people are staring at me, and yeah, so we'll see you when he gets him and when I get back to the house.
What's happening, YouTube? If you're wondering what the commotion is behind me, we got a new member of the family. Cash Hansen right there for you. Hi, buddy. Yeah, hi. Oh. Yeah, he's very cuddly. He's 5 weeks old. We just got him for free from a family friend. And look at him just exploring the car. He's super cute. We love him already. But I'll pick this up where I left it off at home. What's your first impression? We just got him in the house, guys. Just getting used to it. Doesn't know what to think. Cash. Cash, come here. No, don't go back there. No, don't go back there. He's trying to run away already. Ah, jeez. What are we gonna do with you, huh? Look, you can play in here. There, play on top, not behind. Thanks. getting a lot more comfortable. There he goes, taking off. Running and playing now. We got him some stuff from Petco. He's getting used to his color.
What is that, Cash? But first, let me take it back. So we got him.
Fill this out.
Not all the way, probably. We just got him a cat box, a cute cat bed, a collar. Got him some toys over there. And I got him some cute cat dishes over there. Babe, that's good.
That's good.
So yeah. We just took him to Petco and he just sat in the cart and slept. This is the cutest thing. Why is he crying?
Cash. What's up? Did you get lost?
Okay, if you gotta poop. Now we're gonna go get some groceries. And
We're gonna see how the bathroom goes while we're gone.
yeah.
Ooh, what is that? Yes. That's where you go.
What if he goes up
Leave
to
yourself.
the bathroom?
Don't start flinging it everywhere. Are you peeing? He's already potty trained.
Is he peeing?
I don't know.
What
He's
cat?
squatting.
Wait, what cat pees like that? Is he laying in it?
I have no idea. We'll find out in a second here.
You pooping?
I think so.
Oh,
no, he
good
peed.
job, buddy.
Nope. Dude, yeah, there you go. Good job, buddy. Good boy. He peed and covered it up.
Not very well. Okay, wait. Wipe your paws. I'm just kidding. Good job, bud. So yeah, now we're gonna go grocery shopping. Hi. I didn't know you were actually.
Look who it is.
So this is the little Cash. It's actually been 2 days since. 2 days?
Yep. 2 days since we got him.
him. We've just been kind of busy. We went to Thomas Rhett last night, so you know.
Yeah. Look at them. He's fitting in. Like he's a part of the family already.
He is. Yeah, we're just chilling. We just thought we should probably end the video. We did get a couple clips of him like playing and stuff, but yeah, this is Cash Hansen.
Yeah.
We love him so much, besides at bedtime.
Yeah, he's a little stinker at bedtime.
But isn't he so cute? So yeah, this is the little guy will keep me company. Well, he's gone.
Yeah. He's doing a great job.
Think so?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. We're just chilling. It's Sunday now. We got him on Friday. So we're just chilling, watching videos with him.
And we love him.
So much. He's so cute. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.
Peace.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.